Nuclear submarines have long been regarded as silent, lurking predators of the deep, capable of unleashing unimaginable destruction. These fearsome war machines are not just capable of sinking enemy vessels, they can obliterate entire cities or even countries within minutes. The mere mention of nuclear submarines evokes terror in both wartime and peacetime, and rightfully so. These vessels are cloaked in an aura of secrecy, giving rise to countless myths and speculation. Yet today, we know enough to offer a detailed look at these formidable instruments of war, particularly the latest U.S. nuclear submarine of 2024, which is ready for action and promises to be the deadliest in history. Nuclear submarines are typically divided into generations, with each successive generation offering significant advancements in technology, stealth, and lethality. The first generation of nuclear submarines was built in the 1950s, and while they were groundbreaking for their time, they were hampered by relatively high levels of noise and limited acoustic detection capabilities. The second generation of submarines, which appeared in the 1960s and 1970s, saw the introduction of more streamlined designs aimed at increasing speed, as well as improvements in propulsion systems and sonar. The third generation emerged in the early 1980s, characterized by increased displacement, better crew accommodations, longer range capabilities, and reactors with much longer life cycles. American submarines like the Ohio and Los Angeles classes were equipped with nuclear reactors that could run for up to 11 years without refueling and did not require major repairs for up to 30 years, representing a significant leap in autonomy and operational readiness. Today, we are in the era of the fourth generation of nuclear submarines, with the first examples appearing in the early 1990s. These submarines have set the standard for modern naval warfare, offering not only enhanced stealth, but also unprecedented firepower. In the United States, the fourth generation is represented primarily by multi-purpose submarines, such as the Virginia class. In Russia, the fourth generation includes the Beret-class ballistic missile submarines, which are equipped with state-of-the-art water-jet propulsion systems, new sound-absorbing coatings, and next-generation nuclear reactors. The development of autonomous escape pods and fully isolated reactor compartments represents a significant advance in crew safety, following several high-profile disasters involving earlier generations of submarines. The American Ohio-class submarines, for example, can carry up to 24 Trident II D5 ballistic missiles, which are equipped with multiple warheads. Depending on the loadout, each missile can carry either 8 W-88 warheads, each with a yield of 475 kilotons, or 14 W-76 warheads, each with a yield of 100 kilotons. These missiles have a range of over 7,260 kilometers, giving them the ability to strike targets on the other side of the world with terrifying precision. The Ohio-class submarines themselves can reach a maximum speed of 25 knots while submerged. Their Russian counterpart, the Beret class, is equipped with 16 Bulava missiles, each carrying up to 10 warheads with a yield of 100 to 150 kilotons. The Beret-class submarines have a top submerged speed of 29 knots, slightly faster than the Ohio class. In addition to ballistic missile submarines, the U.S. Navy also operates multi-purpose nuclear submarines, which are armed primarily with cruise missiles and torpedoes. The Seawolf class, for example, is one of the most advanced submarines in the world, capable of carrying up to 50 cruise missiles such as Harpoons and Tomahawks. The Seawolf can reach speeds of up to 35 knots while submerged, making it one of the fastest submarines in service. However, due to their high cost, each Seawolf-class submarine costs approximately $4.3 billion. The U.S. Navy only operates 3 of these vessels. More commonly deployed are the Virginia-class submarines, which can carry between 12 and 24 Tomahawk cruise missiles, depending on the variant. The Virginia class has a maximum submerged speed of 34 knots, just slightly slower than the Seawolf, but much more cost-effective and versatile. Nuclear submarines are equipped with nuclear propulsion systems, which give them an extraordinary range and operational endurance compared to conventional diesel-electric submarines. The autonomy provided by nuclear power allows these vessels to remain submerged for months at a time, making them difficult to track and capable of executing long-range missions without resupply. While only a few countries have developed nuclear submarines, namely the United States, Russia, France, the United Kingdom, and China. These vessels form the backbone of their naval strategic forces. One of the most advanced nuclear reactors currently in use is the S-6W reactor, installed on the Seawolf-class submarines. This reactor generates an impressive 300,000 horsepower in thermal output, with 57,000 horsepower delivered to the shaft via 2 steam turbines. The reactor is designed to operate at most of its full capacity without the need for coolant pumps, significantly reducing the noise produced by the submarine and making it even more difficult to detect. However, operating such sophisticated machines is not without risk. Over the years, several nuclear submarine accidents have occurred, highlighting the dangers associated with these vessels. In total, 8 nuclear submarines have sunk since the dawn of the nuclear age: 4 Soviet, 2 Russian, and 2 American. One of the most infamous accidents involved the USS Thresher, which was lost in 1963 due to hull failure. Another tragic incident occurred in 2000 when the Russian submarine Kursk was lost during a naval exercise. An experimental torpedo exploded on board, leading to the death of all crew members. Such accidents underscore the immense pressure and complexity involved in maintaining and operating these vessels. Interestingly, American and Russian nuclear submarines differ in their architecture. American submarines, such as the Ohio class, are built with single-hull designs, while Russian submarines, like the Beret class, are double-hulled. The double-hull design consists of an inner pressure hull and an outer hydrodynamic hull, providing an extra layer of protection. Advocates of the double-hull design argue that it offers greater survivability in combat, while proponents of the single-hull design highlight the weight savings and improved depth survivability of American boats, which are built with advanced high-strength steel alloys such as HY100. The Ohio-class submarines are divided into multiple compartments, each serving a specific function. Of particular interest is the second compartment, which houses 24 missile silos. These silos are designed to withstand the same pressure as the submarine's pressure hull and are fitted with hydraulically operated lids to protect the missiles. Each silo is equipped with a launch cup that contains a dome-shaped membrane made from phenolic resin, which prevents water from entering the silo when the missile is launched. The launch sequence is highly automated with the submarine's Mk-98 fire control system capable of preparing all 24 missiles for launch in just 15 minutes. Once launched, the missile is accelerated out of the silo using a powder pressure accumulator, achieving an initial velocity of around 50 meters per second before igniting its engines. Missile launches can be conducted from a depth of up to 30 meters and at speeds of around 5 knots. This gives the submarine a significant tactical advantage, allowing it to remain relatively hidden while delivering a devastating nuclear strike. The high accuracy of Trident II D5 missiles enables them to destroy hardened targets such as enemy missile silos and command bunkers, contributing to the overall effectiveness of the U.S. nuclear deterrent. The next generation of nuclear submarines, which is currently in development, promises even greater advancements in stealth, firepower, and autonomy. While many details remain classified, it is believed that these fifth-generation submarines will incorporate modular reactor designs that require no maintenance for the entire 40-year lifespan of the submarine. They will also feature autonomous rescue capsules for the entire crew, improving safety in the event of an emergency. The propulsion systems of fifth-generation submarines are expected to use advanced water jet technology, reducing noise even further and making these vessels nearly undetectable. Additionally, fully automated control systems will allow for smaller crew sizes, with personnel concentrated in highly protected compartments. Hypersonic missiles, capable of traveling at speeds of over Mach 5, will likely be a key feature of future submarines, giving them the ability to strike targets with unprecedented speed and precision. One particularly intriguing development is the Russian Poseidon II-M39, also known by its NATO codename, Canyon. This is a nuclear-powered torpedo equipped with a megaton-class nuclear warhead designed to cause widespread radioactive contamination and other destructive effects on coastal areas. While some experts question the strategic utility of such a weapon, given the availability of more accurate and faster missile systems, the Poseidon represents a new type of nuclear threat. Capable of traveling at speeds of up to 70 knots and operating at depths of up to 1,000 meters, the Poseidon could potentially evade existing missile defenses, However, its slow travel time means it could take several days to reach its target, raising doubts about its practicality in a high-speed modern conflict. As we look to the future of naval warfare, it is clear that nuclear submarines will continue to play a critical role in maintaining global stability. The U.S. Navy's newest submarines, built using cutting-edge materials, advanced propulsion systems, and autonomous technologies, are poised to become the deadliest machines ever created. With hypersonic missiles, modular reactors, and the latest in stealth technology, these submarines will remain at the forefront of military innovation for decades to come. What do you think about the future of nuclear submarines? Will the advancements in submarine technology keep pace with evolving global threats? Share your thoughts in the comments below, and don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more updates on the latest in military technology and defense strategies. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.